Alright, picking up from where the last video finished, I was just about to do the small ribs on the side of the model. So we need to create an offset plane here. I'm going to work from the center of those ribs, so it's 40 mm away from this surface here. So I'm just going to go into reference geometry, choose plane, create an offset of 40, and over here I get the option to flip the offset. Again, Solidworks doesn't like minus numbers, so you'll often find a reverse or a flip option. Okay, green tick, and we need to just draw a line onto this plane. Unfortunately, each rib has to be done separately. The rib tool doesn't like creating them at the same time. But once we've got one, we can also use the mirror function to copy that over to the other side. So into the sketch tools, get the line tool, spacebar, normal to. Let's snap to the two corners where the rib's going to be, so here and here. Exit the sketch. Go into the Features tab, get the rib tool, click on the line. Make sure the arrows point in the body. The width for the rib is 6 and it's symmetrical. Okay, green tick. Okay, now hopefully we've already got a plane in place that we can use to mirror this over. So I'm just going to hide this plane. Okay, let's have a look. So this plane here sits down the center of the model. So this is my top plane. I'm going to go into the mirror tool from the Features tab and see it's put the top plane in here. Now I'm going to use the Features option. Click on the rib I want to copy over, and straight away you can see the copy on the other side of the model. Green tick to complete. Okay, so just some holes now. I'm going to select the surface I want to cut away from and go into the extruded cut tool. Spacebar, normal to, and get the circle tool from the sketch tools. And I'm just going to randomly position the circle in here for now. Get the smart dimension tool and start adding some measurements. So from the center of the circle to the top edge we want 15 mm, and from the center of the circle to the left edge we want 20 mm. Okay. Now we could draw these all out separately, nothing wrong with that. However, there is a slightly quicker option. So I'm going to select the circle and go into the linear sketch pattern option here. Okay, we do want 2 circles in the X direction, and we also need 2 circles in the Y direction. So coming down the side here, you can see just increase the entities. Alright, now it goes positive, so we need to just switch the direction over using this arrow. Okay, the distance across the X-axis is 50, and the distance in the Y-axis is 105. And that positions all the circles for us, so we just green tick. We can exit the sketch. And where it says blind, we just change it to through all, so we don't need to worry about the dimensions, and green tick. And that completes the bracket model.